Hello guys, welcome with the second Sudoku. Second Sudoku, a four-star Sudoku in today's newspaper of Tuesday, August the 24th, 2021. We have here in this additional 9 extra Sudokus, and the second Sudoku I will solve will be a four-star Sudoku. Let me position the camera. Okay. So we have 4 Sudokus to go. Yes, I will do the 4 stars, then a binary puzzle, then a tectonic, and a killer Sudoku. But this one will be number 3288. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. Yes. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, so let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. We have a 2 and a 9 in this big square, so no 2 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. The 2 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 2 and a 9. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright, 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the last column. 2 in that column. So the column between, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. Alright. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 2. Alright. Alright. Then, how about, yeah, I'm thinking, these 3 missing numbers, 1 is missing, 2, 3 is missing, 4 and a 5 is missing. 1, 3, 5. 1, 3, 5. I cannot do anything with 1, 3, 5. But I see here an 8 in this row. 8 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 7 in the last column. 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then. Six. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 6. We see a 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. There's 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. These 3 boxes are reserved for the 1, 3, and a 5. That means 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. Alright. And we have a pair. Yeah, 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places for the 4 could be here, could be there. Same story with the 9, 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places for the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a pair, 9 and 4, 9 and 4. The other pair in this big square, 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle row. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5. and the 6 is missing. 1 and a 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6 and a 7. 7 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So we have a 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 6. Alright. Alright. 7 in the last row. 7 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column. 7 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 7. How about the number? Let me see. The number. Interesting. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in the second column. One of the missing numbers is the number 5. We see here 5 in this big square. So no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left in the second column for the 5 should be there. Now we have 2 numbers left in the second column for the numbers. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 1 and the 9 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and the 9. Okay. 1 and the 9. Okay. Let me think. 3. I'm thinking. 5, 2 is already, yes. 1, 1, 2, 3 in this column. 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 4 and a 9. 4 and a 9. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4. No 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4. It should be there. 2 numbers left. Here we have the first pair, the 1 and the 9. The second pair in this big square should be the numbers. 3 is missing. And an 8. 3 and an 8. We have an 8 there. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Alright. So 3 should be there. Okay, 3 in this column, third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the third row. 3 in the second row. So the first row, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in the first row. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 1 and 5. We have a 5 here in this big square, so no 5 in this box. The 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. 5, 5, okay. 2 numbers left. In the first column, 7 and a 5. 7 and a 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 4 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 4 and a 9. Here also 4 and a 9. 4 in the last row. 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. Okay. 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 1, 3, 5. I'm thinking. 1, 9. 195, 195. 5, 5. Yeah. Do I have all the 7s? Let me check. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 7. Okay. Do I have all the 8s? No. 8, 8. 8, 8, 8. 8, 8. Yeah. Come on. 7, 7, 7, 7. 5, 5. Here can be 5. Interesting. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 4, 8. 8, 8. 4, 1. Blackout. Do we have a blackout here? 1, 3, 7, 6, 4, 9, 9. How about the 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above, so that row. Only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next, so in the last column. The only place for the 3 should be there, and all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1 and a 5 are left because the 3 is already used. 1 and a 5. All right, let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and 5. Ooh, then. How about the 9, 9? Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 8. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 8. This box cannot be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 5, number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. 1 is missing, 2, 3, and 4. 1 and 4. Still cannot fill this yet. Alright. 1 and a 9. Yes. 1, 9, and a 5. 5, 5. How about those? 1, 5, 9. 5, 5. One. How about the one then? Yeah. 195. 195. 441199. Come on. Three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9. No 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in this row. 9 in one of those two boxes in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 9 should be there. Okay, I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 1. One box left in the third row for the number 1. Two boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. 9 and a 5. So one box left in the last column. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, alright. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. Two missing numbers in this big square. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 1 and a 9. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here. So this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 4. Two numbers left in this big square. 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 5. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 9. Alright. Last two numbers, 1 and a 9. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes for 4 stars. Well, for 4 stars, I need 30 minutes or more. Well, I've solved this in 17 minutes. So is this really a 4 stars? No. Is this a 3 stars? No, because for 3 stars, you see 20 to 30 minutes. So I think this is rather a 2 stars. Because I'm faster than 20 minutes, yes. And you see, 24 printed digits, less than the previous Sudoku. So you cannot always say 24 printed digits is difficult than a 25 printed digits puzzle. It could be happen that you have a lot of pairs or hidden numbers. But I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 3 puzzles, a binary, a killer Sudoku, and a tectonic one. See you then. Bye-bye for now.